Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will learn how to upload files, folders from EC2 to S3 bucket or how to download it from S3 to EC2. It is also called uploading stuffs to S3 or downloading some like folders or files from S3 to EC2 of AWS. To perform these operations, you will need to go through some steps before, and those steps consist of like creating an IAM role with S3 write permission or admin access, then mapping that IAM role to EC2 instance so that it can perform the copy or uh, uploading operation to S3. Then you will need a AWS CLI where you will execute these commands. And finally, you will be able to upload files or folders to S3 or downloading it from S3 to EC2. So let us see how to create a role with write permissions on S3. You can refer this article to create your role for AWS EC2 so that it can perform these write and downloading operation from S3. To create a role for an AWS service, you will need to log in first in the console of AWS and then choose the roles and then create a role. Select type of trusted entity. Here you can choose EC2 and then finish the remaining steps. After you created the role, now you will need to map that role with EC2 or assign that role to EC2 so that it can perform those operations. So you can refer this article, it is very useful. So just follow these steps, open the console, go to the instances and choose the one you want to give permission on, choose action, then security, go to modify IAM role and choose the one you have created just now in previous step. Now we have created our role and mapped that role to EC2. So now let us start installing the AWS CLI on the EC2 server. You can refer this article to install the AWS CLI, and here are the steps that you can follow on Linux, macOS or Windows, whatever operating system you have. For example, like on Linux, you can install like this. On Linux 64-bit, you will need to download this zip file using this command and unzip the zip folder or file and then install it. After going through these steps, you will get AWS CLI installed on your operating system. So it is very clean and clear documentation you can follow to install AWS CLI on your server. After going all these steps, now let us see what are the commands that you can use to perform copy or transfer old files and folders to S3 or from S3 to EC2. This is the AWS documentation, which is very detailed documentation that you can read and have a deep knowledge of these copying files from S3 or copying to S3 from EC2 to S3 or vice versa. These are some examples that you can refer to perform these operations, like copying test.txt to S3 bucket, which is named as my bucket, and it will become test2.txt in that bucket. After executing this command, you will see an output as upload text.txt to S3 like this. There are many other variations of these operations. You can go through each of them and you will be able to do these all steps very easily without any problem. Just follow all the steps I told from initial to up to this end, and you will be able to get these all things done yourself. And there is a PHP SDK. If you want to upload or download some files and folders with your PHP code, you can refer this article as well. Hope this tutorial would be useful for you, and please like and subscribe if it is helpful for you guys.